Luxury used to whisper. Now, it growls. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Venuum. A machine built for people who think a normal Rolls-Royce simply isn't enough. It's darker. It's louder. It's more aggressive. And somehow, it's even more exclusive. Today, we're taking a full look at one of the wildest ultra-luxury SUVs on the planet. From the handcrafted interior, to the monstrous design, and the unbelievable road presence, this might be the ultimate statement vehicle of 2026. The first thing you notice isn't the size. It's the attitude. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Venuum doesn't look elegant in the traditional Rolls-Royce way. It looks intimidating. Every line feels sharper. Every surface feels more aggressive. And the blacked-out styling transforms this SUV into something that feels almost villain-like. Close-up shots of grille, headlights, wheels. The signature illuminated grille dominates the front end. Massive vertical proportions give it a commanding presence unlike anything else on the road. And then there's the lighting. Thin LED signatures combined with laser-focused headlights create a futuristic look that feels straight out of a sci-fi film. The oversized forged wheels fill the arches perfectly. The stance is low, wide, and muscular. This isn't just luxury. This is luxury with aggression. What makes the Venuum Edition truly special is the customization. This isn't a factory-standard SUV. This is automotive fashion. Everything is tailored. Carbon fiber details. Custom body enhancements. Bespoke finishes. Exclusive materials. Every single Venuum build feels unique. Camera shows custom badging and details. And because production numbers are incredibly limited, chances are, you may never see another one like it. That exclusivity is exactly what buyers want. Not just luxury. Not just performance. But individuality. And then, you step inside. This cabin doesn't feel like a car. It feels like a private jet mixed with a 5-star lounge. The leather is hand-finished. The stitching is flawless. The materials feel almost unreal. Everything you touch reminds you this is built without compromise. The iconic Starlight headliner returns, and it transforms the interior at night into something magical. Rear passengers get limousine-level comfort. Massaging seats. Entertainment systems. Champagne storage. And near-total silence from the outside world. This is the kind of SUV designed for billionaires, celebrities, athletes, and royalty. It's not transportation. It's an experience. But don't let the luxury fool you. The Venuum still moves like a monster. Under the hood sits a massive twin-turbocharged V12 engine delivering effortless power. And that's the key word. Effortless. The acceleration feels smooth, endless, and almost unreal for something this large. The suspension glides over the road like the SUV is floating. Yet somehow, it still feels planted and confident at high speeds. This is power without drama. Speed without chaos. Luxury without limits. Let's be honest. Most people buy a vehicle like this for one reason. Presence. The moment this SUV arrives, people notice. Phones come out. Heads turn. Traffic slows. Very few vehicles on Earth create this kind of reaction. And that's what the Rolls-Royce Venuum is really about. It's designed to dominate attention. Not quietly, but unapologetically. Now let's talk about the price. Depending on customization, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Venuum can easily climb into the ultra-exclusive territory reserved for the world's wealthiest buyers. And honestly, that's the point. This SUV was never meant to be practical. It was meant to be rare. A moving piece of art. A status symbol. And one of the most extravagant luxury SUVs money can buy. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Venuum isn't trying to be subtle. It's bold. It's dramatic. It's excessive. And that's exactly why people will love it. In a world full of luxury SUVs trying to look sporty or futuristic, this one simply chooses dominance. Whether you admire it, or think it's completely over the top, there's one thing nobody can deny. The Rolls-Royce Venuum is impossible to ignore. So, would you drive the 2026 Rolls-Royce Venuum? Or is this luxury taken too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insane luxury and supercar content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.